I'm again near my Ford Fiesta, and I want to show you where to put water in your Fiesta, because you keep asking this question, and it's very important to pour the water in the direct reservoir, because otherwise you can end up having problems. So under this hood, you have two places where you may want to put water. First of all, there's the windshield wiper reservoir for water. You just open it, take a funnel to not spread the water all around the engine bay, and just pour some water here in summer. But if it's cold, if it's winter, better use special liquids that don't freeze. If you use water in winter, you can have problems with the system, because the water will freeze, and in the end you will end up with the ice in the system, and it will tear all the tubes, and you will have to repair your car most likely. So, and the second place where you may want to put water, but I don't recommend this, is this. This is this coolant system of your engine, and many people think it works with water, but it doesn't. It works with the coolant. So you see, it's a little red color here. Um, uh, you need to put coolant here, but if you don't have access to coolant, and you see the level of the coolant is really low, you can add some water, but don't forget to replace all this liquid after you come to some repair shop or to some place where you can buy coolant. Also, please don't open this cap when the engine is hot, because it will send a lot of vapor here, even under some pressure, and you can get hurt. So wait a little bit, and when you're opening this, make sure you're doing it slowly, to not get all these vapors right in your face, because this can actually be really painful. So this is all you need to know about where to put water in your Ford Fiesta. Please don't put water anywhere else. This is the reservoir for brake fluid. This is the cap for oil. There is no need to put water in any other place in this car. So please don't do it.